Tammy.
Hi, I'm Aoife.
And this is Shane. We have a 30-foot Sparkman and Stephens design monohull named Soraya. Like our family, she's small in size, but she's big on finding adventure. This year we say goodbye to the 9 to 5, packed up our house and made Soraya home. So join us if you like as we travel the Queensland coast, discovering the land, sea and hopefully avoid a family mutiny. We start this episode from the beautiful Lady Musgrave Island, the southern gateway to the Great Barrier Reef. But with the weather forecast not in our favour, we decided to keep travelling north. Righty, so you're going to help Daddy drive the boat and get us out of here.
You're going to learn to drive. Remember you told me double arm point that you didn't know how to drive?
Driving till the sky starts turning gold. I sing to myself just because.
So we're leaving Lady Musgrave and I'm out the bow of the boat looking for bommies because there's lots of them scattered throughout this lagoon. We're going to try and follow our tracks out, but there might be some boats in the way of a few of them, so just got to keep an eye out. It's not the best time of day to look for bommies, but best time of day to get out of the channel. Slack tide. Cloudy day today. Good day to be moving on. Pancake Creek, here we come. Straight ahead. Entering the Lady Musgrave Channel. So the reef is pretty close.
The skipper.
But your arms are enough. Waking up for work's looking pretty tough.
Are you okay? Are you warm? Bit of weather helm. 3 yachts in front of us and 1 behind us. And that's a 30-footer, 31-footer.
It was a cloudy day, but the winds were in our favour, and we had a great 42 nautical mile sail to Pancake Creek. Over there's the red marker.
Just waking up in Pancake Creek, and this is what I've been greeted to this morning. We left Lady Musgrave Island yesterday morning. Tammy became a sailor yesterday, helmed the boat the entire way in 15 to 20 knots with a couple of reefs in the main and with our jib in and out depending on how fast the boat behind us was catching up. A little siesta, another little 30-footer, which we had a great sail across with, and we seemed to leave with a whole flotilla. 8 of us headed across yesterday. Maybe look around. There's 1 behind us, 1 across from us, and lots of boats up there.
Pancakes at Pancake Creek.
What are we going to do this morning?
Go to the lighthouse.
Woke up early just to see the sun. With every person.
It's like a scavenger hunt.
It's a shoe. And look,
Follow the shoe
A bucket.
to the bucket.
Take a look at the next thing.
Are we going to march to the lighthouse? Stamp.
I've got a stamp into it.
We're butterfly hunting today.
Put your hand out. Go in your hand.
Look, it's up there.
Yep, that's off Gladstone. That's the ships that anchor to go into the Port of Gladstone.
The Busted Head Lighthouse is actually located on an island, so it's only accessible by boat, amphibious vehicle or aircraft. The final lighthouse keeper was withdrawn in 1986 when the lighthouse was automated, and over time the light station buildings were vandalised. But the Busted Head Lighthouse Association has since restored them, and together with its volunteers, they provide tours to visitors like us.
So this was built in 1868, 154 years old. It was constructed in England, brought out in pieces on a ship into Brisbane, and then a paddle wheeler came from Brisbane up into this Pancake Creek over here, and then they built a rail track from the creek up to here, and with carts and horses pulled all the pieces up. Wow. Each of these pieces weigh about a tonne, and they're all numbered and lettered A, B, C, D, like a Meccano there.
Oh yeah, wow, look at that.
We were also told that this is the only working lighthouse in Queensland that allows visitors inside.
See the next headland that goes across with the beach there?
Yeah.
See over the top of that, the hill?
Yep.
That's called Mount Larkham. That's right behind Gladstone.
Right.
That's to the north of Gladstone.
Okay. Well, it's not too far. That's
where
where
we're
we're
going
tomorrow.
next.
Yeah, Gladstone's not that far.
The next morning, running low on provisions, we made our way to Gladstone.
Can't leave you with like this. We're giving the cat a run for its money. Keeps passing us, Tammy. We left at about 7 just after sunrise, and it is magical. We have a new skipper and a new first mate. Bit chilly but sunny day, and we have a skipper. A new skipper. We've got 10 knots of breeze. We're doing 5 knots through the water. And we've got a little surprise up here. Because we are flying our spinnaker. Beautiful. It's winter in Australia. Winter in Queensland.
The wind direction changed and strengthened, so we had to drop the spinnaker, unfurl the headsail and reef the main.
We can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky.
Gladstone VTS, Soraya, on 13. Do you copy over?
Soraya, Gladstone.
Yeah, Gladstone VTS, permission to cross South Channel from G2 to G1, over.
Expect to do that, you may cross the South Channel.
Excellent, we got permission! We did! Don't hit anything. Looking alright? Oh my god, it's massive. There's more? Okay, let's keep going.
We really enjoyed our time at Gladstone Marina and highly recommend anybody travelling by boat in staying here.
We'll
Busted Head to North Reef. We are here, Gladstone, and we're going to head through the Narrows, through Curtis Island, and out to Great Keppel Island.
So we made our final provisions and got ready to sail early the next morning. Join us next time as we travel in the dark through a shipping channel and through the Narrows to the beautiful Great Keppel Island. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button. It's a free way to be notified when we post upcoming videos.